Good afternoon. It is April the 16th, 2016. Time to recap our trading today. Another very quiet day in the E-mini. 6 points, 6-handle range. Just very, if you're not able to execute at the edge, you don't have a trade. It's just, there's no room for error. Retest failure, S, produced a point. This buy right here may have gotten you two. This little triple top right here, a point. Double bottom right there, scratch. S, scratch. Retest failure, +2. Quadruple bottom. If you stuck with it, got back to the mean green line, +2. We came in with a 75 to 77 buy. We wanted to sell 90s plus or minus. We lowered that to 85, then we lowered it to 82 to 85, and it just got to 82 3 times. So very slow trading. The Wall Street Journal is right. This is the biggest vacation week of the summer, or at least it's acting that way. So I have no doubts that we're headed to 2200. Don't know what it's going to take to get there, but there just isn't, nobody's selling. Okay, on the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, we can sell tomorrow. We did sell 2 days last week. Didn't break the market. On our F2 screen, definitely a B. Tomorrow's news, Atlanta Business Fed inflation forecast was plus 1.7% on the last release. Then crude inventories. And tomorrow's close, people will roll from the September to the October contract, and be trading October come Thursday morning. So where is the sell right now? It is, I guess, 82 to 85, sell 1. 89.91, sell 2. Where is the buy? 75, 77, buy 1. And buy 2 is 70, 72. Pretty quiet trading when it was all said and done. Looking at our note and the 30-year, they both got hit pretty hard today. The news that came in, the industrial production numbers, much higher than forecast. Lower high, lower low, pointed lower. Find a place to sell it tomorrow. The key is, will the 131.16, 131.24 area hold? F1 says sell it. Definitely a B, and we did get stops beneath that low right there. The low volume numbers, 131.20. Could get there tomorrow if we had some help from the news or the E-mini, but probably won't get either. So the first trade, basically, last rotate up, stopped at 5, so 132 even, 132.04, sell 1. 7 to 11, sell 2. On the buy side, maybe a little bit lower, 24.28, buy 1. 17 to 21, buy 2. Pretty quiet. Day on tap for tomorrow would be my guess. The bond continues to be the contract. You know, people, when's the E-mini come back? We're going to get there. Well, you know, there's other markets. Once you understand the profile, once you understand our methodology, once you have the average rotation, you can go trade other markets and take advantage of that. K resistance is 8 to 12. Go 15 to 19, sell 1. And 27 to 31, sell 2. The low volume number down here is 170.18. So we're going to have support at 28 to the buck. So we'll make 21.25, buy 1, And then 9 to 13 by 2. Looks like we're in a sell mode. And should have a chance to sell it in Globex. Okay, gold held in there pretty well. The F1 screen, higher low, higher high. Can sell failure to take out 60, 65, and actually 55 to 60. And then on the buy side, 35 to 40 looks like pretty good support. So we have sellers 55, 57, sell 1, 59, 61, sell 2. On the buy side, 48 to 50, buy 1. Let them get stops below 50, and 44, 46, buy 2. Okay, crude. Nancy gave us a piece of information. It's the first time that I've seen it. She said, back testing for 5 years, selling after crude has rallied all day long, does not work. So only the buy side does. And last week, a couple of the buys did not work either. So again, it's just a test that, a trade that doesn't have a lot going for it, in my opinion. I believe the short squeeze is still on. Morgan Stanley says it runs through tomorrow's close, and we run into the October contract for traders, and Friday's the expiration for the September contract. So here we are, 40. Right now, the low volume number up here is 47.15 on 20-cent increments. F2 contract really strong, so stops above 47, so 46.75, 47, sell 1, 47 and a quarter, 47.50, sell 2. On the buy side, the breakout came. We took out 46 and a quarter, so 46 and a quarter, 46 even, buy 1. And then 45.50, 45.75, buy 2. And the euro's been really strong overnight. Started in London, very strong, and it held most of those gains today. So if the selling happens, it's going to happen in London tonight. Very big day up. So F1 says find a place to buy it. And we're rejecting prices at 113. And definitely above 113.20. So first sell is 113 even. Then 20 to 30, sell 2. On the buy side, 112.75, buy 1. 12.50, buy 2. And that's it for this August 16th, 2016. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.